Hello everyone, I am Hima Sati Sharma, TGT Science, Pratap World School, Pathankot. Students, we are discussing the chapter Nutrition in Plants for Class 7. We have already discussed the introduction of the chapter, Autotrophic Mode of Nutrition, Photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, we have studied the definition that photosynthesis is a process in which plants utilizes carbon dioxide and water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight to produce food. Now, along with food, the process of photosynthesis also produces oxygen and water vapor as byproducts. Synthesis and storage of food other than carbohydrates. The process of photosynthesis first produce a simple carbohydrate which is called glucose as food. So in the process of photosynthesis, we had studied that the plants, they utilize carbon dioxide which they are getting from atmosphere, and the carbon dioxide is entering the leaf through stomatal pore. Now the chlorophyll present in leaf is utilizing light energy of sunlight to convert that light energy into the chemical energy which is stored in the form of food. Okay, so the food which is first formed is a simple carbohydrate and its name is glucose. Now the glucose carbohydrate then gets converted into a complex carbohydrate which is starch. So glucose is the simple carbohydrate and starch is a complex carbohydrate. Both of them are carbohydrate only. Glucose is a simple carbohydrate and starch is a complex carbohydrate. Now the starch gets stored as food in the various parts of plant including leaves. So plant stores the starch as food in various parts. It may be in stem, it may be in leaves, it may be in fruits, it may be in flowers. So the part of plant which you are consuming or which we are consuming as food, like we are consuming seeds of legumes and pulses, we are using certain leaves of green leafy vegetables, we are using flowers of cauliflowers, buds in cabbage, and modified stem in potato. So these all parts are having starch as a stored food. Some of the glucose is also converted into other types of plant food or other type of components. We have studied in our first lecture of the series that foods have various components which are called nutrients, and those were carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, oils and proteins. So along the glucose, some of the glucose is stored in the form of starch and some of the glucose converts into fats and oils or proteins and vitamins. Plants also prepare protein with the help of a mineral which is nitrogen. And from where the plant is getting this nitrogen? The nitrogen is obtained from the soil. So how this nitrogen is obtained from the soil? We have studied in our previous lecture that the root absorb minerals along with water and transport it via xylem to the leaf. So this nitrogen is also dissolved in water in the soil and is absorbed by the roots and transported through xylem to the leaves. And there this nitrogen is converted into protein by plants. In our next class, we will be studying about heterotrophic nutrition. Thank you.